Fast. Efficient. Accurate. Introducing the Autel MaxiAlign IWA500, the intelligent tablet-controlled wheel alignment system designed to deliver affordable, fast, and accurate results with exceptional ease of use. At the core of the IWA500 is advanced imaging technology engineered for consistent, dependable accuracy. 5 high-definition 3D cameras deliver precise, repeatable measurements for first-time correct alignments. With auto-tracking crossbar height, the system automatically positions itself and maintains optimal target alignment throughout the process. No manual adjustments required. The IWA500 is built for technicians of all experience levels. Automatic vehicle identification instantly loads OE source specifications, while guided setup and step-by-step visuals eliminate guesswork. Technicians simply follow on-screen prompts to complete alignments quickly, accurately, and with confidence. Beyond alignment, the IWA500 delivers a fully integrated tablet-controlled workflow. A dedicated Autel tablet brings alignment-focused diagnostics, SAS calibration, and wheel alignment together in one seamless system. Full control from anywhere in the bay keeps work moving without interruption. Backed by Autel's extensive and continuously updated vehicle database, the IWA500 supports domestic, European, and Asian coverage. With OE-sourced alignment specifications built in, shops are ready to service nearly any vehicle, today and tomorrow. Detailed pre- and post-alignment reports clearly document results against OE specifications. These reports support insurance requirements and provide transparent proof of work that builds trust with customers. Fast, accurate, and easy to use, the Autel MaxiAlign IWA500 is designed to keep pace with modern vehicles and busy shop workflows. The fastest path to efficient, accurate wheel alignment.